Emmerdale Farm. Hello.
Number 17 in our countdown gives us the now familiar sound of the Yorkshire Dales.
If you're a fan of the show, and you have been for 43 years, I think it's a comfort. It's part of the fabric of people's home lives.
The music to the original series, then called Emmerdale Farm, was written by TV theme tune supremo Tony Hatch.
I got a call, and it was a lady called Jackie Stoller, who was head of drama at the station, and she said, we're going to do this new drama series, and we'd love you to do the music.
It's a deal.
She had told me about the opening scenes, the rolling grasslands, the dry stone walls, the village and the farm. And I'd visited Yorkshire many times, and I'd been out in the country, and I just got this rather lonely feeling. They told me I could use all of 6 musicians. So I think I used a harp and an oboe and a piano. We just kept it very, very nice and simple, and that was the original theme.
As many Emmerdale fans will know, since the series began over 40 years ago, the theme tune and the title sequence have changed a number of times. But how many people know that the tune was once recorded with words in Swedish? Well, seems these two didn't.
What are the lyrics saying? Marlon is surprisingly hunky despite appearances. I think is the translation.
I'm not sure they're quite the right words, Mark. Either way, the song and the show might have changed over the years, but Emmerdale's always stayed faithful to Tony's timeless melody.
I mean, they have gone a little bit away from my original rhythm. Although I say it myself, I think it's a really good tune. I love it.
It's the longest running and most famous theme in British TV history.
3 or 4 generations have been brought up with Coronation Street. And of course the theme is the thing you remember.
But did you know that this famous piece of northern music called Lancashire Blues was actually written by a Londoner called Eric Spear? And recorded on Thursday, the 1st of December, 1960, its unforgettable trumpet melody was played by Yorkshireman Ronnie Hunt.
On the recording on the day, Eric Spear couldn't get the right sound, and they'd gone over it and over it and over it, several different takes. So they'd all adjourned to the pub and come back in the afternoon, and that's when my dad said, you know, what am I supposed to be playing? What is this music for? And then having described what it was for, that's when he said, right, OK, I think this is the sound that I need to play. We put the mute in, played it right up to the microphone, made it sound like a cornet. My dad got paid £6 for the gig, which was quite a lot of money in those days.
The theme tune was brought up to date in 2010, when the important task of re-recording Ronnie Hunt's famous trumpet part fell to Christopher Deacon.
It's so iconic that to feel the pressure, because if it's not right, everybody's going to know about it. I was in the recording studio from 11 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock in the evening, playing the Coronation Street theme in all sorts of different ways imaginable, and the producers ended up using my copy of the original. It was a great privilege to do it.
To think that 60 years on, that it's still out there, it's wonderful, really.